Hi you guys and welcome. It's your girl Shar'dea. I'm giving y'all a little table of contents right here, but let's go ahead and get into these brows. She already had a tint on her brow, so it was very easy to just go ahead and outline and go ahead and pop that concealer on there. Throughout the video, I will be dropping like little tips and stuff that I do when I do makeup. Like let's see, there we go. I got the concealer that I'm using right there. I have this music on here finally, because I know if y'all watched the first video, I did not know how to add music, but I figured that out. So let's go ahead and enjoy the music, and y'all, stay tuned, pay attention, and don't miss out on none of my tips. Oh, y'all see them brows? The brows are very much giving. But did y'all see that switch up? I went from a small fluffy brush to a bigger fluffy brush. You want to make sure that your concealer is not creased and it is dry. If it is not, you will have a glob of mess on your face. But anyway, let's get into this eyeshadow. One thing I did want to mention is when applying eyeshadow, you always want to start dark and go light. If you know, you know. If you don't, it is best to go dark to light, especially whenever you're trying to get that ombre fading effect. Okay, this is my absolute favorite part. I love when I can just cut my crease and I see that the look is coming together the way I want it to. If y'all do not have that micellar, I do not know how to pronounce that word. If y'all do not have that water, y'all need to go invest in it because it is top tier. I'm trying to tell you, I've learned recently that instead of using a cotton swab, you can use a flat brush. I haven't tried that yet, but I'm getting to it. Okay, so now with the shape that we cleaned, we're gonna go ahead and get that P. Louise base. Ooh, you gotta take your time with this part, because if you mess up and you cover up, you see how I got a dark blue and it fades into that light blue? That's what we want. So I don't want to go too high and cover that up. So I'm going to take my time. I was watching and doing my voiceover, and I was just like, boy, I wish I had a camera on my face, because I swear I look like I'm just concentrating so hard on not trying to mess up my crease. But y'all, do y'all see this? Y'all see how it was coming together? Do you see? And the same as before, let your base dry, because if it does not, you're going to be disappointed. guys, I am so sorry. I have no idea what happened. I don't know if my camera was off, but I did not get, you know, you see how the look is done now. But I'm gonna upload a how-to because the look is giving. And if you really want to see how I did the rest of the look, leave in the comment section below, and I will gladly, it's gonna be in a different color of course, but I will gladly drop that video if y'all would love to see it. And you see, at this point, I should have really took her phone away because she kept peeking. She kept looking. And I, you know, it got to the point where you see that blend? You see how everything's blending together? Starting to melt together, starting to give skin.